Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Tricky Sarah Concept. Today our topic is quadrants trigonometric formula. So we discuss how we learn these formulas in an easiest way. So let's start. Firstly we draw a circle and divide it into four equal parts. These equal parts are called quadrants, means this part is called quadrant. We give it a name 1, 2, 3 and 4. This quadrant represents angle 0 degree to 90 degree. This one 90 degree to 180 degree. This one 180 degree to 270 degree. And this one 270 degree to 360 degree. Because all we know that all the quadrants have a value equal to 90 degree. And whole circle have an angle 360 degree. Okay. Now let's start with the first quadrant. From 0 to 90 degree. In this quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios value is being positive. Means all the trigonometric ratios sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, all the trigonometric ratios have positive value. And for second quadrant, sine and cosec have a positive value. Means sine and the reverse of sine have a positive value. And in the third quadrant, tan and cot have a positive value. In the fourth quadrant, cos and sec have a positive value. In this quadrant, sine and cosec have a positive, means the other trigonometric ratios values have a negative. So how we learn these quadrants? All students to college. All represent all the trigonometric ratios. S represent for sine, T represent for 2 and C represent for college. So the trick is all students to college. A denote for all trigonometric ratio, means all trigonometric ratio have a positive value. As denote for sine and the reverse of sine is cosec. T denotes for tan and the reverse of tan is being cot. C denotes for cos and the reverse of cos is being sec. So for first quadrant, what are the trigonometric formulas? So let's start. Sine 90 minus theta. How we calculate this value? We have to go for 3 steps. Step 1. Look to the graph. This graph. Second step. Sine. And third step. Change or not change. To calculate this value, firstly we have to know one of the thing also. For 0 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree, ratios not changed. And for 90 degree and 270 degree, ratios changed. So how ratios being changed? Sine being changed into cos and cos being changed into sine. For this value 90 degree and 270 degree. tan being changed into cot and cot being changed into tan. Sec being changed into cosec and cosec is being changed into sec. Got it? Now calculate sine 90 minus theta. This quadrant represents first quadrant 90 minus theta. The value lie in this quadrant. For 90 degree, sine change into cos. Okay. So cos. And in first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios have positive values. So here being positive sign. Sine 90 minus theta is plus cos theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to, it is also lying in the first quadrant, tan being changed into cot for 90 degree value. So plus cot theta. Sec 90 minus theta is also lying in the first quadrant and the value is being plus cosec theta. Okay. Now let's talk about second quadrant. From 90 degree to 180 degree. Sine 90 plus theta. In second quadrant, only sine and cosec have a positive value. And here 90 degree is being there. So 90 degree change sine into cos. So here the value is being plus cos theta. Then tan 90 plus theta. This value line being second quadrant 90 degree. So tan change into cot. Here only sine is being positive. So the tan 90 plus theta have a value negative minus cot theta. Now talk about sec 180 minus theta. Also lying in this quadrant, second quadrant, 180 degrees being there, so ratio is not changed. So here sec is the sec in the second quadrant is negative value, so minus sec theta is the value of sec 180 minus theta. Now let's talk about third quadrant. From 180 degree to 270 degree. Let's talk about the value sine 180 plus theta. This value lie in this third quadrant. 180 is being there, so ratio is not changed. And in the third quadrant, only 10 have a positive value. So sine, the value of sine 180 plus theta minus sine theta. Tan 180 plus theta lie in the third quadrant. 180 is being there, ratio is not changed, so the value plus tan theta because tan have a positive value in the third quadrant. Next, cos 270 minus theta. It is also lying in the third quadrant. 270 is being there, so ratio changed. So cos changed into sine. Only 10 have a positive value, so cos 270 minus theta minus sine theta. Now let's talk about fourth quadrant. To 70 degree to 360 degree. Sine 270 plus theta. 270 is being there. This value lie in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, only cos and sec have a positive value. So sine 270 plus theta is changed into cos and the value of sine minus cos theta. Then cos 270 plus theta. 270 is being there, cos changed into sine. Cos have a positive value in the fourth quadrant, so plus sine theta. Next, tan 360 minus theta lie in the fourth quadrant. 360 is being there, ratio is not changed, just 10 is being there and the value have a negative value because only cos have a positive value in the fourth quadrant, so minus tan theta. So these are the way to calculate the quadrant trigonometric formula. Now how we put that in the question and how we calculate the values. So let's talk about. For example, sine 135 degree. How we calculate this value? We break down 135 degree into 90 plus 45 degree. So write down sine 90 plus 45. We know that sine 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta lie in the second quadrant, and the second quadrant sine have a positive value. 90 is being there, so sine change into cos, positive sine plus cos theta. So here is the value is being plus cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree have a value 1 by root 2. Let's talk about the next example. Tan to 10 degree. How we calculate this value? We break down this angle 180 plus 30. So we know that tan 180 plus theta lie in the 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. This value lie in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot have a positive value. So here 180 degree is being there, so tan is not changed. The value is being plus tan theta. So write down tan 180 plus 30 has a value tan 30 degree. We can also write down as a sine 30 degree divided by cos 30 degree. You know the value of sine 30 degree? 1 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So here the value is 1 by root 3. I hope you understand all the trigonometric formulas by using quadrants. Now we talk about the next topic in the next lecture. So please like, share and subscribe my channel Tricky Circle Concept. Thank you.